Hi, this is Sean with Tri-State Waterworks, your lawn sprinkler management company. I wanted to talk to you today about our No Worries Lawn Management Sprinkler Program. This is a program that works off of monitoring your irrigation system via the internet, so using a smart controller. And we have two different plans. We have the monitor and alert plan, and what we do with that is on a constant daily basis we monitor your system, and the system looks for things like broken pipes, broken water pipes, broken sprinkler heads, electrical issues, and when there's a problem with your system it alerts us through an email or text, and we can determine what the problem is by looking at the report and schedule a service call. One of the benefits of signing up for this simple plan is that you get priority scheduling for repairs. So there might be a long line of people waiting to have some repairs done. Well, you kind of get put in front of the line so we can come out and take care of your system quickly, get it back up and running. And that's the most economical of the two plans. And the second plan is our full management plan. So it has all the features of the first plan. Plus, we will also be looking at water savings reports. We'll send out reports telling you how much water you've saved. And it includes several different features. It includes the spring startup, a summer check where we'll come out in the middle of summer and run through the system, make sure the heads are adjusted properly and everything's functioning well. It includes a backflow test. If you have a backflow, it's tested. And fourthly, it includes the winterization of your system. So with that package, you just pay a one set monthly price out 12 months, and that covers everything throughout the year, except for any major repairs that might pop up. But all of your maintenance and your standard service work is covered under that plan. So with that, you don't have to think about it. You don't have to worry about calling, oh, we need to schedule a spring startup or winterization. It's taken care of for you. We manage all that, and you can go on about your life having fun and enjoying your family. So if you'd like to find out more about this, go to our website at tristatewaterworks.com and look under what we do under the No Worries Sprinkler Management Program, and you can find all the details and pricing for these programs. Please give us a call if you have any questions. We can answer any questions or needs you might have and take care of your lawn sprinklers. Thanks and have a wonderful day.